Right.
So you walk in day one, they're like, do you write a check? Tell me the whole experience of like going into a prop shop. Cause I don't think we've had a guest like be
I
honest
see.
about that or tell us about that.
Yeah. So, you know, you need to pay, write a check, once you join, that's pretty much a precondition to join the
Yep.
company. And from day one, they, mentor you, so to say. But really, if I think about it, it's really not much you can learn because, nothing's really structured. But I guess you start from small money, and I think you kind of do virtual trading for about a month or so. And when your manager think you're ready to trade real money, then you start trading with
So
you
that
know.
that month, so you write the check of, let's say, was it $2,000, $5,000?
Yeah, around the ballpark.
Okay, so a couple $1,000, you write a check. They give you a seat in their office, and basically
Right.
what's there, like a couple screens, and you're
Right.
looking at what types of markets, like the equity market, bonds.